Unpack both washers from their delivery cartons. Remove all packaging material from inside and outside both washers. Separate and open the pack of fittings to each washer. Fix the top cover plate on the mini washer by rotating it 180 degrees and fixing 4 short screws supplied to secure it into position. Temporarily place the mini washer into its final location. Place a spirit level on the mini washer to confirm its level. Push diagonally on the mini washer's corner to confirm it does not rock. Adjust the appropriate feet of the mini washer until level. Lock the rear feet into place by tightening the locking nut. Do not lock the front feet at this time, as they may need to be readjusted later. Move the mini washer into an open area, ready to lift the main washer on top. Ensure that all the feet on the main washer are wound in all the way. Use 2 people to lift and slowly place the main washer on top of the mini washer. Ensure that the feet sit secure in the foot holders on top of the mini washer. Install 4 long screws into each side to securely attach the main washer to the mini washer. There are 16 screws in total. Wind down the feet of the main washer until they gently seat against the mini washer. Lock all 4 feet of the main washer with their locking nut. Remove the 4 transit bolts from the rear of the main washer. Using pliers, connect the drain hose to the mini washer with the included tension clamp. Ensure the curved end is in the upright position. Fit the remaining ends of the main and mini washer drain hoses into the Y-piece using tension clamps. Using zip ties and the arch bracket, secure and neaten the drain hoses and place them into the spigot or sink. Refer to the instruction manual for other drain point methods. Connect one end of the short water inlet hose to the cold water tap. Connect the curved end of the long water inlet hose to the main washer's cold water inlet. Then, the other water inlet hose to the cold water inlet of the mini washer. Use the T-piece to join all 3 hoses together. Connect the hot water line between the main washer and tap using the last long inlet hose. Do not use any mechanical device to tighten the hoses. Hand tighten only. You may use a soft cloth to assist. Ensure you only use the hoses provided in the box. Position both attached units into the final location. Adjust the 2 front feet of the mini washer with the adjustment tool provided so that there is no front to back, side to side or diagonal rocking. Lock the mini washer's front feet with the locking nut after completing any adjustments. The anti-skid pads supplied may be placed under the mini washer's 2 front feet if required. Slowly turn on the hot and cold taps and check for leaks at the hose connections by visual and audible inspection. Plug in both washers. Turn on the main washer. Select the speed wash or quick wash cycle. Press the start button. Do not add any clothes or detergent. Check the unit for leakages and vibration. Turn on the mini washer. Select the rinse and spin cycle. Monitor for leakages and vibration. Do not add any clothes or detergent during this test. Note, During the main washer's test spin function, it may reveal a vibration. If so, then only readjust the appropriate front foot of the mini washer until the vibration is eliminated.